Coco, you haven't even gotten anything in your belly. I made quite a bit of this stuff. The portion of oatmeal, I mixed the stuff in it, and I just let it sit for a while, like a half hour. So it's a mixture of rice and oatmeal. We're all about it.
Awesome.
Might be a good thing to keep on stock. You seem to like the mixture. It's probably getting a little bit extra nutrients in it. You should taste it. It's actually pretty good. Doesn't look tempting. Let me help you. Oh,
Don't
you ain't
help
getting anything in your
her.
mouth.
You can do it. Right. Here, just let her sit by herself.
Then they just throw the bowl on the floor.
Not Chloe.
True. Yay!
Maybe if you give her one of the metal ones.
Oh
These plastic ones, they have a hard time.
no.
More for being made to spoon feed them.
You need a double-sided spoon.
There you go.
I'm actually surprised they haven't made this. Yeah, you're a big girl. Let me help you. No? Fine. Good jerk. You're just holding it the wrong way is all. I don't know why you won't let me help you. Why don't you let me help you? Is it okay position?
Yeah.
Here, I'll help you again, you little bird. Spoon. Oh, you're not supposed to get your hand at the same time. Oh, what are you doing? Coco, you have to let me help you. You haven't gotten anything since I gave you your new spoon. Here, Coco, Coco, Coco. Here's the spoon. Really? Here, take it. Closer.
She gets so pissed. I wonder why she did it that first day. Now she's regressed.
I don't know. I don't think that's what it's for either. Can you bring me another spoon?
What kind?
I don't care. Anything that I can shovel food in your mouth without pissing off. Stop starting me.